Welcome to another episode in our series on how artificial intelligence is transforming business management. Today we delve into a key aspect for any manager: the automation of executive functions. In particular, we look at how AI is revolutionizing two critical areas: strategic planning and resource optimization. Increasingly, companies are delegating strategic tasks to automated systems that can analyze data in real time and provide recommendations that optimize the use of their resources. Automated executive functions involve delegating key tasks, which previously required human decisions, to AI systems capable of processing large volumes of data and executing strategies in real time. Through machine learning algorithms, companies can now automate high-level processes, such as strategic planning and resource management, with unprecedented accuracy and speed. With AI, managers can rely on automated systems to adjust budgets, allocate resources, and optimize daily operations based on real-time, up-to-date data. Strategic planning is one of the areas most transformed by automation. AI systems can analyze market trends, competitor movements, and consumer behavior, providing accurate predictions about possible future scenarios. This allows executives to make more informed strategic decisions and adjust plans based on changes in the environment. For example, companies can automate their growth strategies by setting targets that automatically adjust based on sales data, market trends, and changes in consumer demand. Resource optimization is another key benefit of automated executive functions. AI systems can allocate human and financial resources efficiently, ensuring that teams have the tools and budget they need to achieve strategic objectives. A clear example is automated inventory management, where AI adjusts stock in real time, optimizing the flow of products according to demand. Also in the financial sphere, AI can automatically reallocate budgets, prioritizing areas with higher performance and adjusting investments based on performance analysis. Tesla is an excellent example of how automation of executive functions can transform planning and resource optimization. Tesla uses AI to automatically adjust its production based on real-time data on market demand, material availability, and economic forecasts. Thanks to these automated systems, Tesla is able to adjust its supply chain and manufacturing efficiently, avoiding wasted resources and staying at the forefront of innovation. The benefits of automated executive functions for CEOs and business leaders are clear. Improved operational efficiency. Automation ensures that resources are allocated as efficiently as possible. Reduced human error. Decisions are based on up-to-date data, reducing the possibility of errors. Rapid adjustment to market changes. AI's ability to analyze data in real time allows companies to adjust their strategies quickly. Cost optimization. AI ensures that budget and resources are directed to the areas with the highest return on investment. Automated executive functions are transforming the way companies plan and optimize their resources. CEOs and managers who embrace these technologies will be better prepared to meet the challenges of the future, adjusting quickly to changes in the marketplace and making strategic decisions based on data. If you are ready to implement AI for strategic planning and resource optimization in your organization, contact me on LinkedIn. I'm here to help you integrate advanced artificial intelligence solutions into your business management. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content on digital transformation and executive automation.